Hello everyone. In our last week's session, we have learned about top 7 criteria for comparing different testing tools and selecting one which is suitable for your project or company. If you haven't watched it yet, then please watch it. I have shared the link in the description below. But from those top 7 criterias, I have shared some more criterias at the end of that tutorial. And in today's tutorial, we will see one of such example which will help you to get an idea about how we actually compare two test tools and how to present that comparison in front of the management. In my channel, RuTechTalkz, I always try to share the complete information which will help you in the real time scenarios, which will help you to crack the interviews, and which you can implement in your organization. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will get notifications on my new video uploads. So, to share the real time scenarios with you, I have compared two test automation tools, that is Selenium and Katalon Studio. I have compared all the criterias that I mentioned throughout in my earlier video. So, let's see the comparison. I have divided this comparison in four parts. Let's see these one by one. In the first part, I have compared the ease of use and learning curve. So in this I have checked about the installation, application under test, ease of use, scripting languages, team expertise and integration with JIRA. Selenium installation requires installing and integrating various tools. Katalon Studio is easy to install. In Katalon Studio, we can test web application, desktop applications, mobile applications and web APIs. How is ease of use? Selenium needs framework and programming setup before scripting on AUT, whereas in Katalon Studio, it's quick and easy to automate using record and play feature. Scripting languages. Selenium use different scripting languages, so like Java, Ruby, C Sharp, Python, PHP, whereas Katalon uses two scripting languages, that is Java and Groovy. The requirement of the team expertise for Selenium is high. It requires expert team having programming knowledge. Whereas in Katalon Studio, testers with limited technical knowledge are enough. About integration with Jira, Selenium has no integration with Jira. Even if you want to integrate it with Jira, we need to have the good programming skill, experts programming skill, and user have to build and integrate capabilities themselves. Whereas in Katalon Studio, it's very easy to integrate with any plugin. It's very easy, quick and easy integration of Jira due to available user-friendly plugins. In the second part, I have compared the functionalities and features and integration. In second part, as I said, I have compared the functionalities and features. So in this, object storage and maintenance, I have checked for that, and Selenium requires the XPath maintenance, whereas in Katalon Studio, built-in object repository is available. It finds the XPath easily on its own. About continuous integration, users have to create and configure execution jobs to trigger test execution on Selenium, whereas in Katalon Studio, it's easy integration with Jenkins, Bamboo, Docker, Git through command line interface. The next feature I compared is test analytics. There is no test analytics in Selenium, whereas in Katalon Studio, Katalon Analytics enables teams to quickly diagnose and have better insights of their automation tests. Next is reporting. Based on the testing framework, being used will have some simple report templates in Selenium, and that too we need to build those capabilities and we need expert for that. Wherein Katalon Studio, it generates user friendly reports with graphical representation in HTML, CSV, PDF formats. In the third part, I compared usability, project size, and time. The third part that I said is the comparison of usability, project size, and time. In Selenium, there is no provision to capture evidences. We need to again build the capabilities and we need experts for that. Wherein Catalan Studio provides the videos and screenshot for pass and fail tests. Selenium scripts cannot be used in any other tool. Katalon Studio provides the feature of converting the scripts in any other language like C Sharp, Java, Node, Python, Protractor, etc. Selenium is recommended for big projects, whereas Katalon Studio is recommended for small sized quick projects as it works on record and play. Scripting on Selenium is time taking, whereas scripting on Katalon Studio is quick and easy because of the record and play feature. In the fourth part, I checked the cost such as maintenance and licensing, training cost. I have compared Selenium and Katalon for script maintenance. Selenium has a high script maintenance cost, whereas Katalon Studio has low. Training cost is high in Selenium, low in Katalon Studio. License type is open source for Selenium, and Katalon Studio I mentioned as free because some features are free. Record and play feature is free. You can use it for small projects, but if you want to customize it more, then you need to buy the license. And Selenium is free. As I said, Katalon Studio I have also mentioned free, but for some features and if you want more features, more plugins, then you need to purchase some license of Katalon Studio. So this is the comparison that I have shared for Selenium and Katalon Studio. This is just an example. I am not recommending you to use Katalon Studio only because it depends on project size. It depends on many multiple factors that I have mentioned here. So as I mentioned, Selenium is good for big projects. So you can consider Selenium as well. Yes, we need experts for that, but again, as per your company requirement and as per your project requirement, you can select the tools. I hope this will help you to understand your project needs and compare two different test automation tools. And you will be confidently be able to present your analysis in front of management. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay tuned and keep learning.